Have you ever played one too many computer game or watched one too many old rerun? You just can't get into another mystery and you just feel flat? Maybe you are suffering from boredom, that familiar accompaniment to our automated, pre-cooked lifestyles. If so, you need to check out these hobby ideas. Hobbies have been found to be therapeutic as they relieve stress and get the mind active. In this article, you'll find hobby ideas for every sort of person, from the intellectual to the athlete, from the homemaker to the attorney. Many times we are bored because we have become too inactive. If this is your problem, you might like a sports hobby. Have you ever tried tennis? How about golf? Many people simply love bowling until it becomes an important part of their lives. Sports hobbies get you out of the house and often are a way to make friends with others. Then again, some active hobbies can be enjoyed in our own homes, such as weightlifting and doing aerobic dance to a video. Speaking of aerobic dance, dancing is another great pastime. When you think of hobby ideas, don't forget the many forms of dance. Square dancing is fun for people who like getting together with groups, while ballet and modern dance appeal to the more contemplative souls. And while we're on contemplation, you might enjoy doing yoga stretches as a hobby. Maybe we're feeling bored and listless because we've been cooped up in the house too long. If that's the problem, here are a few hobby ideas to get you out in the fresh air. Have you ever thought of taking up canoeing, hiking, or trapping? How about getting involved with an environmental group? In many states, you can form groups to clean riverbanks and monitor water quality, and the state will provide perks such as t-shirts, work gloves, and first aid kits. Or maybe you'd like studying the flora and fauna of your region. It can be great fun to stroll through the woods and fields with a field guide, learning to identify each wildflower, insect, tree, and bird. There are almost as many hobby ideas as there are bored people in the world, because everyone puts their own spin on their favorite hobbies. Maybe you'd enjoy decorating your house with antiques, or learning to bake specialty breads from around the world. Maybe you'd like to take part in a little theater production, or learn to play guitar. What about the fine arts of weaving tapestries or painting with oils? Candle making, soap making, and many other old-time crafts are being enjoyed again. Truly, with all these hobby ideas, there is no reason to stay bored for long.